Hi there, this is Obi here, and recently Xiaomi has announced their gaming phones Black Shark with which is really a predecessor gaming phone. So here is the unboxing of the phone. In complete English, we found a box and a controller or console. It is needed to be purchased alongside. Total it costs nearly 678 bucks in USA. So the box looks very cool, and this console also looks very cool, which gives you a slight console like finish. So opening the box, first you got the manual called You're a Gamer, written in many languages. I don't know how to read Chinese, so I cannot tell what is written there. So it means that you're a gamer. Let's start. So they just told us to be stirred. The box is very light to say. We just give it a it's never 45 black shirt, the latest display. It's very rugged, and even with dual camera setup. Now let's boot up. It says Black Shark logo. You're a shark dude if you are watching this. Then we have all set dog like wallpaper in the background. So this was all about the unboxing of the smartphone. It comes with the latest MIUI, and if you have liked our video, don't forget to